how are you? We're in Southern Tasmania, out from Huonville, a place called River's Edge. We're beside a river and we're cooking Wagyu beef here, quite a high fat content. I've done this Wagyu top side on the barbecue, seared it. It's quite rare in the middle, and I've made up a Mexican type of Cajun. Put the Wagyu in there. We've got some bay leaves, we've got onion, and we've got garlic, the Cajun spice, some barbecue seasoning, a little bit of salt, and of course a little bit of red wine. In Australia we pour a little glass for ourselves first, and we put a little bit in the pot. There's been a bit in there before. It's quite hot today. I think it's about 27. But this is a pot which does pressure cooking. So I've seared the meat now with some spices. I'm going to put the pressure cooker on soon, but first of all I'm going to chop up a few veggies. Come over here. First of all we'll start off with a bit of capsicum or red peppers. It's quite a unique thing to be able to cook right beside the river here, camping. You'll see a bit later on we'll have a campfire going, and this is something that you can experience in Southern Tasmania. So this is a red pepper. It's not actually a capsicum, but it's got a little bit of spice to it, a little bit of... Get these from Hill Street Larder. In Tasmania we grow everything pretty well: capsicum, eggplant, carrots, onions, potatoes. We had quite a good season of garlic this year, so I put some of our fresh homegrown garlic, but these are not our carrots because our carrots didn't turn out so good this year. So I'm just going to chop up the carrots. Fairly fine. The pressure cooker will sort of kill any germs, of course. Bit of red wine. So River's Edge is a spot that a lot of locals come to camp at. Just nice for families to get away, to relax. This area here they have electricity, so we've got power for our van. That means we can, if we need to put some heating on, we can tonight. And we're here with Hal and his family, my wife Lindsay, and our little dog Haggis. So we've chopped up a bit of carrot, some peppers, some seasoning. This is an organic carrot I got from up in northern Tasmania. The seasoning I put in is smoked paprika, got a bit of Cajun, some of our homegrown garlic, and I put in some barbecue meat seasoning and just a little bit of salt, meat salt. One carrot left over. I'll eat that. And go over to our pot now. Very nice carrot. Bit of a shake. what I'm going to do is we'll head back over to our campsite and we're going to put this on the pressure cook for about 45 minutes. I've also got some potato wedges here, just been doing on the barbecue. Tasmanian people love their wedges. Just put this in the bin. So I just turned the barbecue off there and got my wedges there. We'll go and see if Joanna would like a wedge. Follow us over. So we're down the bottom of River's Edge. A lot of people just come in here in the swimming hole to your right there. This is our little campsite tonight. Fire up the old burner. Yep, she's hot. Just going to add a bit of water here to my pressure cooker. Pressure cookers. That's it, done. That'll be in there for about 45 minutes to, you know, maybe an hour at the most. And then it'll be really ready, but we'll take a few wedges over to see if the girls want some wedges. Yeah, you guys like some wedges? So once the pressure releases, then I can open that and then I can open it. Just have a feel of the meat. Yep. And it's nearly done, really.
Yeah. It smells wonderful.
Well, eventually it'll boil down and we'll just have stringy meat where we can apply it to a lettuce with some salad